Dan from Westchester County, New York, has a question about gable vents.
Yeah, he has 2 gable fans.
Okay.
And Dan writes, they were installed last year with new R30 insulation on the attic floor. And on hot summer days, though, it's over 120 degrees up there. And then the upstairs AC and the ductwork can't keep the bedrooms cool, and a smell circulates, he says. Yeah.
Okay.
We do not have soffit vents, so no fresh air for the fans to pull from. How, then, do we properly ventilate the attic?
Get rid of the fans. I mean, the first thing is you have 2 fans turning on at the same time. Mm-hmm. They're both pulling out.
Right.
And it's putting the house into a weird pressure situation where the smells are going in from the bottom. It's trying to pull air through the house and they're actually taking the cool air in it, and the attic is trying to suck it through the light fixtures and everything to feed the fans. Eventually, the fans will burn out and maybe even start a fire.
Good night.
So you can keep the gable vents. There's millions of them out there, but putting 2 fans or a fan on each gable vent that are not coexisting like a nice group is just a bad thing to do.
They're not synchronized, sure. Yeah. But and he wonders, what if he put in ridge vents? Would that help the situation?
Get rid of the fans. Yeah, ridge vents are great. I got no problem
even
with
without
that.
soffits.
Yeah. But what's happening right now to him is you have 2 fans that are pulling opposite each other.
Right, I get that.
So what I would do first off, before he goes to a big expense, is I would shut one of the fans down.
Just one?
Yeah, and let the other one, if he wants to, run, see if it helps, and that way at least pull the air through the attic instead of trying to feed it from inside the house.
This reminds me of Dr. Doolittle.
Okay, fine. And then maybe that might be all he needs to do, and he'll be happy enough because he doesn't live in Houston, Texas. It's in New York. You got to remember, it's still going to be hot in the attic, but it doesn't make sense to have fans there. I don't know who came up with that cockamamie idea. How's cockamamie? Is that good?
Dr. Doolittle.
Okay, is that right?
Do you know why? Remember Dr. Doolittle? He had the push.
Well, I know he talked to animals.
He had the push me, pull you. And that's what he's got there. It's the llama with 2 heads, each going in a different direction.
I remember that.
Yeah.
Is that what that was
that's
about?
What he's got. He's got a push me, pull you attic.
Oh, okay.
Dr. Doolittle.
I'm good with that.
You gotta, kids, you just have to Google that. You got a question, you don't have to Google that. You just fill out our form. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com. Up in the right-hand corner, there's a Ask Tom button. Fill that out. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.